Hey, what's up everybody? It's getting ready to go put out open house signs for my Waukee listing tomorrow. Show you what's going on here. I've got my open house signs, and then over here what I'm doing is I've got another piece of corrugated plastic, and I'm gonna cut probably like 6 by 12 inch squares and put Saturday from 1 to 4 on it, and then stick them on top of these and then go put those out. So tomorrow, 1 to 4, 250 Bel-Aire Drive in Waukee, Iowa, priced well below market value. If you know anybody that is looking in that area, I'd be real grateful if you just send those out to whoever you know looking for a house in the Waukee area. It'd be a great starter home for anybody, or even investors. It's priced below market value enough to where investors could probably find some value in it as well. So I'm holding a contest tomorrow at the open house for people who show up and sign up for it. Winner will get a $50 gift card. So that was super exciting. I look forward to handing that out to someone. So tomorrow, Saturday, 1 to 4. Hope to see everybody there.